camera out and do a proper video of my first Vietnamese coffee, because apparently Vietnam is the second biggest producer of coffee in the world after Brazil, and it's really strong coffee. Can you see it? This is a white coffee. That is like about 6 times as strong as this coffee.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, I like it. Anyway, I like the strong coffees.
And I've got a Diet Coke. It's got to get me some ice.
Sometimes you've just got to do these touristy things. It was very good. Very good. We bartered.
No, he did.
350. He wanted 350 to go around the lake, and we got it for 100, which is like £3, £3.50. So yeah, there's the man. Not bad. Very cool, man. On the lake. We're going around the lakeside. Tourists in Hanoi. We're very happy. Hello. Birdcage chairs. Little table. Big enough. And opposite. I hope you saw that, because I was doing it without seeing. But yes, we've changed of hotel, because when we got to the hotel we were due to stay at, the man said, there's a couple in your room, we think they're leaving today, but they've had a virus, they've been ill, so we have to deep clean your room, shut it for up to 9 hours to let all the chemicals work, so you're not picking up the virus, or you can move to a different hotel. And the hotel we were staying at had a nightclub on the street. He said, you don't mind noise? Oh, no, we're fine, take it as it comes, because it was a balcony room, just like this one. But he says there's a nightclub and that'll be banging, you know. So anyway, we come to this other hotel in the same hotel group, about a 5 minutes walk away, and this is a quiet street with no bars, just shops and stuff. So we'll see you later. Toodle pip. A little stroll out on our first evening. Have a little nap this afternoon. We're not wandering far from the hotel. But yeah, this is the difference, night and day difference.
Was it?
The Western men were stepping in and stopping it. I think he was beating the lady. Traffic chaos, traffic fun. We've got to get across this road. Come on, let's go down. Oh. Well, I'm only guessing because we were saying stop. Right, we're across. Street cleaning. We're playing music. Sing while you work. Happy singer. We stepped in off the street at the end of our hotel street. Spotted this.
I'm having a latte.
Proper English, the Italian lad. And I'm going for a smoothie because it's so hot. What time is it?
It is 8:30. 8:30,
yeah, it's still sweltering. So I've gone for pineapple smoothie with ice. I'm looking forward to that. And that's the street outside. as ever. Hectic, manic, excited, thrilling. Right, so I've come outside to show you the outside of the shop. This is it, behind me, our street, the hotel Chankam. Big place, Lotus Blanc restaurant, smoothie, juice, coffee. There she is, from there. I'll wait for this latte and then it's back to the hotel to eat our lunch. How is it? Latte, yeah? Very good. A bit of a mix-up. I'd asked for a pineapple, but I mentioned strawberry to begin with, so that's hence the confusion, but it's good enough for me, it's fine. Strawberry. I was going to go for strawberry until I saw the pineapple on the menu, but I just had a sip, it's very nice, yeah. Just what I needed after that day in the heat today. The happy pin men. We were just going past our hotel, we've just come in. Sing! Hey la, Hanoi, Harry, Bin Man.